Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today, Splendid Spoon has sent us another meal package for us to review. And so this one, they have some new stuff in there for immune system. So they have like new immune shot. I haven't tried before, so I'm gonna unbox it and then we're gonna try all the meals one by one throughout the week. They currently running a promotion. $50 off on your first 2 meals in the February. So I'll put the link in the description below so you can go check it out. Let's open this up. So if you never had Splendid Spoon before, they have all kinds of vegan meals that's packed and ready to go. And all you need to do is pretty much just heat it up and it's ready to be eaten. And it's really good for people on the go and or on certain diet, and especially for busy parents like us. All right, so here we go. Open it up. All right, so all the meals are frozen solid inside here. So you don't need to worry about anything in regard of the food will come to you spoil, because look at this. This rock solid. But anyway, let's see what they have this time. So this spice, lentil and chickpea stew, cauliflower potato chowder, coconut curry brown rice, aloo, gobi, quinoa. Let's see, mango guava smoothie, the carrot ginger smoothie, power green smoothie. Sounds like Power Ranger. Green dream juice, tropical greens juice. All right, so I have 3 shots here. They all immunity shot. All right, so here are all the food that came in this package. So I have 5 different type of smoothie and juice, and then a couple of different variety of soup, and the quinoa, and 3 immunity shots. So we're gonna try this out in the upcoming few days, and then I'm gonna do some taste testing. All right, so for the first day, since I just got this in the daytime, I'm just gonna cook one of the soup for the dinner. So this one is spiced lentil and chickpea stew. And you could just use the container to heat up in your microwave, but make sure that if you do that, take out the lid and the seal inside as well before you microwave it. Or you can pour everything out into a microwavable dish and then microwave that way. But since I've been eating quite a bit of Splendid Spoon, I know it tastes better if you heat up on the stove. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's still frozen solid. Alright, so this has a serving of 2. And each serving is 190 calories. Alright, so the soup took a little bit longer because it was frozen solid when I put it into the pan. But yeah, it didn't take that long, about 5 minutes or so, and it's all liquefied. So let's see. Oh, let's see the steam. Still piping hot. I can taste a lot of herb in here. Very hearty. Let me try some of the chickpea. It still has some crunchiness to it. So I can smell a lot of the cinnamon and turmeric as well. This is, I would say, like anti-inflammatory. It's good for your health. I can taste the tomato in there as well. It's a decent meal just by itself. I can taste some of the pepper. Wow, it kind of warmed up my throat as it goes down. Right now it's like 40 something degree outside. So perfect time for this kind of soup. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so this is second day in the morning. I have this immune shot. Shake it really well. This might be a little bit spicy because it got cayenne in there. Yeah, I smell orange. Oh, okay. It's really sweet at first, and then there's a kick. Ooh, yeah, there's a kick. So I taste all kinds of orange, blackberries, lemon. Like orange and lemon is really overpowering, but then once it kind of there's an aftertaste of the cayenne in there, so it's like sweet and spicy at the same time. Alright, so next we have this power green smoothie. So this one is full of complex carbs with the right amount of protein and fat to keep you going. Okay. That's not a taste that's really overpowering. If I don't see the list of ingredients, I won't really know what's in there. They do have seeds, hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. That I can definitely taste because there's texture. Like once you go into your mouth, you can kind of feel the solid in there. It's a little bit tart from the lemon juice, but it's good. I really like it. It's not heavy at all. Not bad. The more I drink it, the more I enjoy it. So that's always a good sign. All right, so day number 2, dinner time. So I have here the cauliflower potato chowder soup. Oh my goodness, still frozen. The calorie count is 110, and each container serves 2. But it does contain tree nuts. All right, so cauliflower potato chowder. So here we go. I actually add a little bit of grounded pepper in there as well, just to give a little bit more taste. A little bit grainy, but it is pretty thick. I think the chunks in there, they are cauliflowers. Yeah. And I can taste the celery in there as well. I think it will go even better if I have like bread. Well, we do have noodles. I'm gonna mix noodle in here as well. So just give it a little bit more texture and more filling, because this soup is actually pretty light. Yeah, it's only 110 calories per serving. Whole container is only 220. So I wanted to add a little bit more substance in there. Yeah, so then my wife and I just can make one meal out of this. It has the consistency of a chowder. All right, day number 3. So I have this carrot ginger smoothie. Oh, the ginger taste is quite overwhelming. But it's quite thick. But the calorie count is quite low, surprisingly. Only 85 calories per serving, and there's 2 in here. It tastes, I don't know, it's thick and it's filling, and but I don't really like ginger taste all that much. But my wife, she does like ginger, so maybe she can drink the rest of it. But if you do like ginger, this is a great smoothie to have in the morning. All right, so dinner time, and let's see what we have here. Coconut curry brown rice. All right, so again, you can heat this up in this container if you so choose to in the microwave, but make sure you open up the lid and also take off this film before you do that. But I'm gonna stir fry this. All right, so if you're gonna stir fry it, make sure that you add a tablespoon of water to help to cook this. Anyway, so let's see. This has 2 servings per container. So each serving is 220 calories. Again, there's all kinds of good stuff. Organic brown rice, organic kale, chickpeas, man. All right, so it's finished. It smells really good. I can smell the coconut while I was cooking it. So yeah, really enjoy the smell of it. All right, so let's see. So this has cashew nuts in here. Oh, just fell off. I can taste the coconut cream. The kale is very crunchy. Typically when I stir fry this, I make sure most of the liquid is evaporated. So this way, the flavor will come out a little bit crunchier and taste much better. Oh, this is good. I like the crunchiness from the cashew nut. The chickpea is very soft, but every bite I can taste all kinds of different texture, especially from the kale, from the cashew. I do enjoy coconut cream a lot, so that's added flavor. Alright, so day number 4 in the morning, I'm gonna try one of their, what's it called? Green Dream Juice. Alright, and you can see all the water is up there and everything else is like settled down in the bottom. Chock full of potassium rich greens with a touch of sweetness from apples. Huh? Shake it up. Alright, let's look a little bit better. I can taste a whole lot of cucumber in here and kale. Not so much of fruit juice. Especially I don't taste anything apple or lemon. I can now taste the celery. This is definitely good for the body. I mean, everything is organic. Nothing weird stuff added. So it's only fruits and veggie added in here. Good stuff. Alright, morning. So another one. So this one is the mango guava smoothie. Oh, this one's thick. Let's see, whole fruit ingredients for sweetness and fiber. Keep your fuller longer. Oh, look at how thick this is. It's barely moving. It's good, but it's like nothing but fiber in there. I taste the sourness of the mango. Guava is definitely a little bit overwhelming. Tastes a little hint of lime, but yeah, it tastes better when it's cold. Yeah, I need to shake it a little bit more because it's really thick, but it tastes really good. Alright, good morning. Last juice I have. This one is the tropical green juice. As you can see, is most of the water is up there, and then the substance is down here. So make sure you shake it really well. And this is refreshingly tropical take on green juice with the addition of pineapple. So let's see, maybe the taste or the smell. I smell a lot of kale or char in there. Yeah, char and kale. I smell them. Yeah, the greens are definitely overpowering everything else. I don't really taste pineapple. I can taste ginger and celery. And there's a little kick to it too. Spiciness. It tastes like as if I'm drinking the greens. Instead of chewing them, I'm drinking them right now. But this is healthy. That much I can tell you that. Oh, I'm pretty wide awake too. Well. Alright, so dinner time. This is the last one we have. Let's see, what is Aloo, Gobi, Quinoa. So I just learned this actually is a Indian curry dish with a little twist. They use quinoa. Now, if you're gonna stir fry this, add a tablespoon of water. Alright, so this again has 2 servings, and each serving is 220 calories. Look at the ingredients, short and simple. That's how I like them. Yeah, this is really good vegan food right there. Alright, so the last one is Aloo, Gobi, Quinoa. So let's take a bite. Quinoa. I like it. Every bite you bite down, there's like crunchiness, and you know there's substance when you're biting down. Potato is good. Yeah, sweet potato as well. Mushroom. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Of all the dishes that came this time around, this one is by far the best one. And it takes so little time and effort to cook it. Like I put it on the stove, took like a couple minutes, and that was it. And I can assure you, this tastes way better than if you put it inside the microwave, heat up that way. Yeah, this is good. Alright, so in conclusion, this time around, Splendid Spoon sends quite a bit of product that's target immune system to give you an immune boost. Of the ones I have tried, I really enjoyed their soup and also the last one, the Aloo Gobi. So if you want to give them a try them out. And don't forget to check out the link down in the description for your $50 off on your first 2 orders. The juice was a little bit okay. It was kind of interesting, I would say. The juice tastes like I'm eating the food themselves. Well, instead of eating, I'm like drinking it. That was interesting. But either way, this is really healthy food. Vegan all the way. Anyway, so if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.